Hello, dear children. How are you? I hope you all are fine and staying healthy at your home. Students, today in this class, we are going to learn one of your grammar topic, and the name of the topic is conjunctions. So, today in this class, we are going to cover lesson number 23 of your grammar book, and the name of the lesson is conjunctions. Now, as you can see on page number 143, circle the correct joining word from those given in the brackets. The child came dash sat beside her mother. Now and, but, or. We are given three options and the right one is and. The child came and sat beside her mother. I ran to the door dash she had already left. I ran to the door but she had already left. Tea dash coffee are both beverages. Tea and coffee are both beverages. Do the work dash you can. Do the work when you can. I went out dash the sun was I went out but the sun was shining. The highlighted words are all conjunctions. Now the words which are given on in blue color, the highlighted words are all conjunctions. So what are conjunctions? A conjunction is a word that is used to join two words, group of words or sentences. तो हमारे conjunctions क्या होते हैं? Conjunction is a word which is used to join words, या तो वो वर्ड्स को ज्वाइन करता है या ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स को ज्वाइन करता है या फिर दो सेंटेंसेस को ज्वाइन करता है. अ कंजंक्शन इज ऑल्सो नोन एज joining word. A conjunction is also known as joining words. Okay, a conjunction that is used to join two independent statements. अब ध्यान से देखेंगे, एक कंजंक्शन जो दो इंडिपेंडेंट स्टेटमेंट्स को ज्वाइन करते हैं. ओके, दो इंडिपेंडेंट स्टेटमेंट. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय इंडिपेंडेंट स्टेटमेंट? इंडिपेंडेंट स्टेटमेंट इज द स्टेटमेंट which is having the meaning of its own, which can be completed without any other sentence. इंडिपेंडेंट सेंटेंस हमारा कौन सा होता है? जिसका खुद का कोई मीनिंग होता है और वो बिना किसी दूसरे सेंटेंस की हेल्प के बिना भी अपना मीनिंग कंप्लीट कर सकता है. तो दैट इज नोन एज इंडिपेंडेंट स्टेटमेंट और इंडिपेंडेंट सेंटेंस. तो ऐसी कंजंक्शन जो दो इंडिपेंडेंट स्टेटमेंट्स या दो इंडिपेंडेंट सेंटेंस को ज्वाइन करती है उसको बोलते हैं हम कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन. Okay, now what is coordinating conjunction? Coordinating conjunction is a conjunction that is used to join two independent statements or two independent sentences. Okay, most commonly used coordinating conjunctions are and, or, but, so. Now we are given a table like the conjunction and is used to join or add the words together in a sentence. For example, I walked to the shelf and placed the cup on it. Or is used to show choices or possibility. You must run or you will miss the bus. Now as you can see students, you must run, it is a complete sentence. You will miss the bus, it is also a complete sentence. Now this conjunction or is joining these two complete sentences. That means it is joining two independent sentences. Therefore it is a coordinating conjunction. But is used to show opposite or conflicting ideas. He is brilliant but he is shy. Now see here, he is brilliant, it is a complete sentence, it is an independent sentence. He is shy, it is also an independent sentence. It does not require any another sentence to complete its meaning. But here, but is joining these two independent sentences. Therefore but is a coordinating conjunction. So shows results. She is ill, so she is at home. Okay, she is ill is an independent sentence. She is at home, it is also an independent sentence because they both do not require each other to complete its meaning. But when we want to join these two sentences, we add coordinating conjunction. So now see on page number 144, look at the sentences below. They tell us more about the use of few other conjunctions. Like Ram as well as Ali has volunteered. Be careful or else you may have an accident. These highlighted coordinating conjunctions have been used to add one statement to another. So these coordinating conjunction as well as or else are used. We have used these conjunction to add two statements. Now read these sentences. I was tired, yet I watched the show. The soldiers were struggling, nevertheless they refused to give up. I was livid, still I kept quiet. Jay loves video game, whereas his best friend hates them. Now these highlighted conjunctions above shows a contrast between two statements. Though they are the complete statements, but they shows the contrast. एक जो contrast क्या होता है, बिल्कुल opposite. Like I was tired, I watched the show. मैं थका हुआ था, मैंने show देखा. Though they are complete sentences, but they are opposite to each other. So they, yet, nevertheless, still, whereas. So these conjunctions shows a contrast between two statements. Now read these sentences. Be quick, else they will leave without you. Hurry up, otherwise you will be late for the function. The highlighted conjunctions expresses a choice between two alternatives. Now here else and otherwise, these conjunction expresses the choice between two. We are given two alternatives, like be quick, otherwise they will leave without you, else they will leave without you. So we have been given an alternative, एक choice करनी होती है. So for choice we use else, otherwise, or. Now look at this sentence. Something has certainly happened, for she is never late. The highlighted conjunction explain the reason or purpose of something. Now for is used for explaining the reason or the purpose of something. Like something has certainly happened, कुछ तो हुआ है, for she is never late, क्योंकि वो कभी लेट नहीं होती. वो कभी लेट नहीं होती, इसका रीजन क्या, कौन सा वर्ड हमें बता रहा है? Or. It is telling us or. So these were the which conjunctions? These were the coordinating conjunction which are used to join two independent statements or two independent sentences. Independent sentences are which, students? Which do not require each other to complete their meaning, which can stand on their own, which have their meaning of their own. Now we have some conjunctions are used in pairs. These conjunction, the conjunction both and is used to indicate two qualities. For example, Riya is both talented and sincere. Now conjunction जो है both and ये इकट्ठे ही यूज होंगे. both और and का यूज हम एक ही सेंटेंस में इकट्ठा करेंगे. These are used to show the qualities. टू क्वालिटीज दिखा रही है. रिया इज बोथ टैलेंटेड एंड सिंसियर. सिंसियर भी है और टैलेंटेड भी है. आइदर और इज यूज्ड to show a choice between two possibilities but in a positive sense. तो पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस में आइदर और किसके लिए यूज होता है? एक चॉइस के लिए. दो हमें पॉसिबिलिटीज दे रखी हैं, उसमें से हमें एक चूज करनी है. लाइक आइदर बाय अ बुक और बाय अ टॉय. आइदर बाय अ बुक और बाय अ टॉय, या तो बुक खरीद लो या टॉय खरीद लो. सो आइदर और इज यूज टुगेदर इन अ पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस. सेम एज neither nor is used in a negative sense to say that two or more things are not true. For example, neither he is an honest man nor he is sincere. So neither nor भी हम किसके लिए यूज करते हैं? किसी दो चीज़ों के लिए यूज करते हैं, बट इन अ नेगेटिव सेंस. लाइक ना तो वो ऑनेस्ट है ना ही वो सिंसियर है. Such that is used to show a cause-effect relationship. For example, such was his motivation that he remained at the sport whole night. Like it is showing us कि cause-effect relation हमारा क्या होता है. What is the cause-effect relation? Cause-effect relation होता है हमारा when we are having like किसी चीज़ का क्या कॉज है और उसका क्या इफेक्ट निकलता है. सच वॉज हिज मोटिवेशन दैट ही रिमेन्ड एट द स्पोर्ट फॉर द होल नाइट. उसकी इतनी मोटिवेशन थी कि वो पूरा रात उसी स्पोर्ट पे खड़ा रहा. नो सूनर देन इज यूज्ड व्हेन वन एक्शन फॉलोज अनदर वेरी सून. जब एक के बाद दूसरा एक्शन हो जाता है तब हम किसका यूज़ करते हैं? नो सूनर और देन का. नो सूनर डिड आई एंटर द रूम देन आई हर्ड अ लाउड एक्सप्लोजन. जैसे ही मैं कमरे में गया वैसे ही मैंने एक बहुत लाउड एक्सप्लोजन सुना. सो जैसे ही लाइक इट शोज द एक्शन follows another action very soon. एक के बाद दूसरा action जल्दी से हो जाता है. Not only but also. It is used when two actions are referred to. For example, the hailstorm not only destroyed the standing crops but also damaged the fruit trees. So not only and but also, not only but also is used to show the two effect of one action. It shows the two effect of one action. ठीक है. हेलस्ट्रॉम ने ना तो सिर्फ फसलें बर्बाद की बल्कि फ्रूट ट्रीज को भी डैमेज किया. नॉट ओनली बट ऑल्सो इज यूज टुगेदर. सो कंजंक्शन स्टूडेंट्स विच आर यूज्ड इन पेयर्स इज कॉल्ड कॉरिलेटिव कंजंक्शन. तो कंजंक्शन ऐसी कंजंक्शन जो हम पेयर्स में यूज करते हैं. जस्ट एज वी हैव स्टडीड नाउ, जैसे बोथ हैंड है, आइदर और, नाइदर और, सच दैट, नो सूनर देन और नॉट ओनली बट ऑल्सो, दे आर कॉल्ड कोरिलेटिव कंजंक्शन. कंजंक्शन विच आर यूज्ड इन पेयर्स, they are called correlative conjunctions. Now see on page number 146. Look at these sentences. We will go to the museum if it's open. Wait here until I'll call you. You can go for a walk while I am cooking dinner. Did you notice that the highlighted part of each sentence is not complete on its own? Now as we see on this highlighted part, that is our blue color part, if it is open until I call you while I am cooking the dinner, as you can see these are the part of the sentence which cannot be complete itself, which cannot be completed itself. Like इनका अपना कोई मीनिंग नहीं निकलता है, कंप्लीट मीनिंग इनका नहीं निकलता है अगर हम इनको अकेले अकेले पढ़ें. इफ़ वी रीड देम separately, like if it is open, if it is open इसका क्या मतलब है? It does not have a meaning, complete meaning. Until I call you, it also does not have a complete meaning. While I am cooking the dinner, it also does not have a complete meaning. So it is depend on other part of the sentence for its meaning. So these highlighted words are dependent on another words in the sentence to complete their meaning. So it is a dependent clause. इनको हम dependent sentence भी बोलते हैं. So the conjunction introducing the dependent or the subordinate clause is called subordinate conjunction. तो एक जो conjunction होती है जो dependent sentence को जोड़ती है sentence के साथ, बाकी के sentence के साथ, वो हमारी क्या होती है? subordinating conjunction होती है. What is a subordinating conjunction? Which joins the subordinating or the dependent part of the sentence to the rest part of the sentence, that is known as subordinating conjunction. So in the sentences if, until and while are the subordinating conjunctions. Some of the common conjunction in this category are after, before, unless, although, if, until, as, since, when, because, then and while. Now students, on page number 147 we are given a table of subordinating conjunction. Let us read them. First one is if, unless. If and unless is used to indicate a condition, like if you work hard you will win the prize. Unless you finish your work you cannot watch television. Before, after, till, when, whenever, while, as, since. They are used to indicate time or duration. For example, she will return before you do. I must meet you after the holidays. Stay here till I return. The market opened when the rain stopped. I will inform my teacher whenever I see him. I waited while he cooked. I saw the hedgehog as I was walking in the woods. Rajat has not written to me since he left. Now, whenever you will see these sentences, so after this, ये जो conjunctions का हमने use कर रखा है, conjunctions के जो बाद वाले जो words हैं, they are dependent upon the conjunction से जो पहले वाले words हैं. सो जो सबॉर्डिनेट जो वर्ड्स हैं, जो सबॉर्डिनेट क्लॉज कहते हैं जिसको हम, या सबॉर्डिनेट सेंटेंस कहते हैं, दे आर these conjunctions are joining those subordinate clause to the main clause. जो पूरे सेंटेंस के साथ सबॉर्डिनेट क्लोज को जोड़ रही है. वेयर एंड व्हेनेवर, where and wherever to indicate place. The student can stay where they are. You can keep it wherever you like. Because, as, since, to express a cause or a reason. I like him because he is hardworking. I will help him as he is my friend. The culprit escaped punishment since there were no witness to their crime. Though, although, while, to express a contrast between ideas. She is confident though she has lost this game. तो कन्फ्लिक्ट टू एक्सप्रेस द कंट्रास्ट बिटवीन आइडिया. कंट्रास्ट क्या होता है? ऑपोजिट. शी इज़ कॉन्फिडेंट, वो बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट है, फिर भी शी हैज़ लॉस्ट द गेम, फिर भी वो गेम हार गई. तो कॉन्फिडेंट होना इज़ अनदर थिंग और गेम हारना इज़ अनदर थिंग. दे आर द ऑपोजिट आइडियाज़. एंड द वर्ड दो, द कंजंक्शन जो, दो इज जॉइनिंग दीज टू ऑपोजिट sentences. Although he has lost a lot of money, he refuses to give up. Everyone wanted to bat while he wanted to ball. As, then, as, to indicate comparison. Like, they behaved as they were expected to. I am taller than he. He is as sincere as his sister. So, students, these were your conjunctions. So, in this lesson, students, we have learnt the various kinds of conjunctions. First of all, what is a conjunction? Conjunction is a joining words which join a word or a group of words or the two sentences. Now we have learned three types of conjunction in our lesson today. So first one was coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunctions join two independent sentences which can make their own meaning, which can stand alone and which do not require any another words help to complete their meaning. So two equal importance के जो sentences होते हैं उनको join करने के लिए we use coordinating conjunction. Then we have read what is a correlative conjunction. The conjunctions which are used in pairs like both, as, either or, neither nor, such that, these are the correlative conjunctions which are used in pairs. And lastly we have read what is a subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunction is a conjunction that joins the subordinating clause to the main sentence. That joins the subordinating part of the sentence to the main sentence. Okay. So this was all about your lesson. I hope you have understood it.